When you're in the business of manufacturing products, having the components you need when you need them is essential for keeping your lines running. In this video, we'll look at two kinds of supply chain information system that can help you to decide what you need to order and when you need to order to ensure that you don't run out. Let's begin. Now, let's clarify that the purpose of supply chain management is resources include machines, people, and components. A manufacturing resources planning system, or MRP for short, is the software that captures the goal for a factory and then schedule productions and decides when to order inventory. Let's say that you manufacture candy and you have received an order to make pumpkin flavor taffy. The MRP system will calculate how soon you have the manufacturing capacity available to make that taffy, and then it will create production plan. Then the MRP will look at the ingredients for the taffy. It will then check how much inventory you have for each item, factor in ordering lead times, and decide when to place the orders with your supplier. In this case, the MRP will order 3 tons of pumpkins 2 weeks before the scheduled production date. In the perfect world, that whole process will be pretty straightforward. But in a real-world supply chain, things change all the time. So, you might need to revise or replan your production schedule. And the planning can create problems with inventory. Let's say you have a supplier who needs 3 weeks notice to fill an order. What happens if an emergency forces you to replan your production schedule and you cancel an order just 2 days before they schedule to deliver it? Either they are going to end up with inventory they can't sell, or you are going to end up with ingredients for the products you have decided not to make. To fix this problem, MRP system have a time frame, a set number of days during which the production schedule is frozen and no longer allowed to change. That time frames represent an important trade-off. The longer your time frame is, the easier it is to plan your productions. The shorter your time frames, the more flexible and responsive you can be. MRP was really designed to create production plans for a single factory. In today's supply chain environment, we often need to look across multiple facilities and take a more holistic view of our resources. An enterprise resource planning system, or ERP, can consolidate the MRP information from many different facilities. It is like an MRP, only bigger. It takes into account a broader range of information about customers, suppliers, and human resources. In a high-paced manufacturing environment, you simply can't keep track of what you're going to make and what you need to buy without having MRP and ERP system in place. Understanding how they work can help you to choose the right system and use them correctly, and that will have a big impact on the performance of your entire supply chain. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. I will record more videos like this to share with you guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channels and click the notifications button to be notified when my next video is available. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am a business software coach, and I see you in my next video.